Hello there. Today I'd like to introduce you one of the most essential technologies in smart mobility, GPS vehicle tracking system, and why it matters for you or your business. A GPS vehicle tracker is a compact and intelligent device installed in cars, trucks, or motorcycles to provide real-time location, tracking, route history, and safety alerts, all accessible through your mobile phone or PC. Whether you are a logistic company, a car rental business, or simply a private car owner, a reliable GPS tracker helps you gain visibility, enhance safety, and reduce operational risks. One, real-time tracking. Monitor your vehicle's nav location, speed, direction, and status via mobile app or cloud platform anytime, anywhere. 2. Multi-GLONASS high-precision supports GPS, BSJ, GLONASS, and Galileo, delivering fast and accurate precision even in tunnels, remote areas, or urban environments. 3. Intelligent route playback. Replay full driving history with timestamps, ideal for fleet audits, route optimization, or accident investigation. 4. Security alerts and anti-theft. Instant alerts for events like power disconnection, towing, temporary, or unauthorized movement. Some models even support remote engine cutoff for vehicle recovery. 5. Seamless integration, compatible with major tracking protocols and platforms, easy to install and integrate into your existing systems. Fleet operators manage fuel costs, monitor driver behavior, and boost delivery efficiency. Car rental and leasing companies prevent unauthorized usage, track vehicle health, and protect your assets. Private car owners get peace of mind with real-time tracking and theft protection. Logistics and last-mile delivery ensure timely deliveries, verify routes, and improve customer satisfaction. A modern GPS tracking device isn't just about knowing where your vehicle is. It's about protecting your assets, optimizing your operations, and building smarter, safer mobility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or contact us directly to know how our GPS tracking solution can empower your business.
BSJ GPS.